Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike here, video 2 in what I'm calling the Oprah series, because the 2008 Mercedes GL450 is big and black and beautiful and bold and very powerful. Yep, just like the woman, the icon herself. Yep, that's what we're calling her. And I'm finding more and more little bits and pieces that are broken. You know, it's kind of like Oprah. She's like a 10-footer. This car's like a 10-footer. The closer you get, ooh, you find little bitty things that are wrong with her. But this is the video where we are going to fix almost everything that is wrong with her. One video, solving problems. Hi, hi, ha, ha, ha. Here she is in all of her loveliness, loving the look. Although I am thinking the car is glossy black and the Lorenza wheels, maybe they are glossy. Maybe if I waxed them up a little bit, they'd look the same as the paint. I don't know. It's just weird having kind of a flat, almost a flat, and then a gloss. I don't know. We'll see. We're also considering blacking out the trim right here to make her look super tough. But as far as parts we need to fix the car, okay, we just kind of do a quick little walk around. This little bit right here, okay. We need a headlight right here. I priced these on eBay, $180 to $220. We need a grill. That's like $180 to $200 right there. I don't know about the hood. I really don't want to replace it. I may just try to bang this out and do a little Bondo and fix it, because this is just for me. This isn't a resale or anything like that. Okay, so we have maybe $30 for that part. We have, let's say, $200, that's $430. What else? We need a little piece right there. Maybe that's $20, that's $450. We're walking, we're looking. We have a little scratch right here that I'm hoping will buff out with a little paint. Little scratch. We have this guy right here that is broken, okay? Yep, that's broken. We're gonna call that 40 bucks. So that's $490. A couple little scratches right here. This, a little back to black, will make that gorgeous again. Same thing for this piece right here. That one is good. Okay, on the inside, not a lot of work that needs to be done on this. Love to have a new steering wheel eventually, just to kind of fix that right there. Maybe a glove box lid. That's about $200. I may get just one of the covers for it right there. And I got to fix the rearview mirror. It's in little bitty pieces. Yeah, little bitty pieces. So let's say we're looking at, just on the outside, what was that, $490? Like 500 bucks. That's a lot of money. But guess what happened? I went online, looked at my local LKQ, and check out what I found. There it is. Check out what I found at my local LKQ. All of these parts right here were $150, including an extra headlight. Okay, so I have this one for the passenger side, which is in great shape. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Love, love, love that. I bought this one. I don't know why. I guess for parts. I may return it, I may sell it, because you can make $200 on these things right here. I have both little trim pieces. Gorgeous. They're going to go right there. I have the back corner marker right there. And I have a grill. The grill is cracked, but I don't care. Let me turn this upside down. And there it is. Little crack right there that I can fix. I know I can fix it. I don't know. We'll see if this rattles or anything. Okay, total for this, 150 bucks, not $500. And I have an extra headlight that I could actually sell, making all of this zero. As far as the grill goes, there are just two tabs behind at the bottom that hold it in place, at least as far as this broken one is. This jankety old one. Okay, the tabs slide in right to there. Okay, bing, bang, boom. It slides up, then it slides out along this little perimeter right here. As far as the lights go, we have 1, 2, and then right under here, which you access through here, 3. And these are just all 10mm bolts. I got fortunate. My replacement does not have a light bulb. The light bulb still works in this one. And let me tell you how much fun that was, but it looks so much better. I have to clean it still. Yep, I gotta clean it. But look, you wanna see the final result? Here we go. Ignore the dent. Yep, it looks 97% better. We're missing this part of the grill. Yeah, I didn't even realize that. I should have, because it's all beat up right there. So I am gonna have to find a better grill. Dagnabbit. Okay. But the headlight's gonna look so much better when I clean it. And it was so much fun, yeah, because take this off, put the other one on. This has to come out, which means 2 bolts have to come out, which means the tire has to come off. Your fender liner has to come off, and you get to make all sorts of weird contortionist moves with your arms there. Yep, but there it is. Looks so much better. Okay, next we're going to address this right here. This simply pops off, and the new one slides right back on. Don't scratch the paint. Don't break anything. Or don't break anything new. There you go. And it all just slides up. Voila. Out with the old junk bin. In with the, not new, but dadgum close. Okay, slide that right there. Push downwards. Push downwards. Here we are. Downwards. And that's it. Look how much better that looks. How much was this part? I want to say $5. I want to say this was $5. Look at that. Look at that. Not pretty. Look at that. Really pretty. And finally, we saved the easiest for last. Okay, out with the old. This thing is a hunk of junk. It's really already broken. Well, sorry about the camera work. And then I gotta go yell at some dogs. Can you hear them? Yep. Here we go. And there it is. That's how you remove it. Okay, then this new piece simply snap-a-roonies in. Okay, here, there. I guess that's it. There. That looks good to me. It's been a day. Yep. All right, what do you think? Much better. So much better. Equal to that. Okay, perfect. And that, my friends, is how you bring an old GL450 back to life. I did go ahead and get another rear view mirror. The one that I had on here that came with the car was all wobbly and all jankety. So I have that. I have the little cover. I still have to put the cover up on this, but I think it's going to be so much better. As far as taking her for a test drive, I'll take you with me. But I've been driving her, and I've been loving her, and she is really going to be, I think, a great car. I like every time I step out, she goes, psh, like this little, I hope it's not a leak. But the suspension, I think it just goes pss when it knows I'm getting out, to lower a little bit, to let me get out gracefully and easily in my old age. I don't know. I just love the car. And we still have a little bit of work to do on her. Have an electrical gremlin. I have a tail light that's kind of iffy. The trailering, it's got a built-in tow hitch, but I think there's something wrong with the wires or a fuse, so we're going to address that. And then hopefully someday we'll go get a car. I want to see how she does when she's dragging something else home. Yeah, I want to see how that goes. Thanks, folks. Bye-bye.